Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SendGrid, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.sendgrid.com and press enter. Wait for the SendGrid homepage to load. On the top right corner of the page, locate the login button. Click the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. In the email field, enter the email address associated with your SendGrid account. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password for your SendGrid account. Double-check that your email and password are correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your login credentials, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your login request. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your SendGrid dashboard. Congratulations, you are now logged into SendGrid. Explore the various features and functionalities available in your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.